Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and for today's video I am going to share with you another bag that I purchased. I wanted to share with you a small bag because I am really a fan of sling bags, or body bags as other people would call it, but I'm really a fan of sling bags. So I wanted to have my hands free as always, since I'm a mom and I have like kids towing every time we go out. So I always make sure that my hands are always free to grab them, to carry anything, especially whenever I carry Gianna with me, and if I need to tow Orion as well. So there, I love wearing sling bags or body bags. So I have a lot of them, and today I'm going to share with you one of the bags that I have. It's a mini sling bag, and this is the Furla mini Metropolis bag. So Furla is an Italian brand. If you're not familiar with Furla, just Google it. It's from Italy. And when my sister went to Italy, I think that was in Milan. Was it in Milan? She actually went to the Furla store there. And she saw a lot of leather handbags and some small items. Prior to that, when my husband went to the US last April, he bought me a Furla card holder, as what I have shared with you in my previous video, like a month ago I think, or last May. If you can see here, I'm actually gonna put the link here on this video so you can click it. And this one is the Furla Metropolis bag, mini Metropolis. So it's just a small bag. Actually, I tried to put my iPhone Pro Max here, but it didn't fit. But the other phones, like if you have a smaller version of iPhone, you can put it here, or smaller phone version, you can actually put it here. So it's fine. It'll be fine. It can actually fit. So what actually fits inside the bag? I think I forgot the color, but this is a pink color. So as you can see on the screen, or yeah, it's the same color as what you can see on the screen. So yes, and then there is a chain. The chain is not the usual chain that we see on the other bags. So this is the chain. As you can see, it's a different one. It's actually heavier, but it's nice. It's heavier than the usual chains that we're seeing on other sling bags and other brands of sling bags, but it's nice. I just don't know what the chain is called, but it's nice. It's just heavier, a little bit heavier on my shoulder whenever I wear it, but it's nice. And since this is a mini Metropolis, so you can only fit not a lot, but I guess I have a lot of things inside. So anyway, the closure is like this. So it's not a magnetic closure. You just have to click on this two round clips here, buttons here. You just have to click it both and open. And the inside is a velvet thing, which is nice. It's a velvet finish. And then what I have here inside, as you can see, so there's just a few items that I have here. So I have a face mask here for my little one, and then I have a spritz bottle of alcohol. I also have my Furla card holder here, and then I have a lipstick here and some mints here, and none. So there is a small pocket inside, so I have some bills here, some coins, and some other cards here. And then the Furla brand is here, that metal thing, and then that's it. So I love the inside of the Furla bag because there is a lining, a cloth lining, which is nice as well. And the strings are here, so you cannot remove the sling. It's just here. Actually, you can remove it, I think. Let me try. Oh yeah, you can remove the strap there. So you can remove the strap if you want to use it as just like a pouch bag or something. If you're going somewhere formal and you don't want to have this, but you can definitely wear it when you're going to formal occasions as well, because it's so small. You can definitely wear it if you go to like evening parties or something like that. But I wore it also during the GEANNA'S first birthday, so I wore it and I didn't put a lot in it. I only put money, the money that I have to pay for the suppliers. So there. You can put, I think, a lot of things as well, but right now these are just the things that I have inside this bag. And as what I mentioned, my iPhone Pro Max won't fit inside, so I can put it here. So there you have it. It's so nice. I love it. And if you are thinking of getting one, this is a must for you guys, because this is not really a super luxurious brand, so you can definitely get one for yourself. So how much is the Furla Metropolis bag? I can't really remember the exact pricing, but it's around 300 something in USD, in US dollars. So I'll just put the price here. And if you are if you're gonna go to the Furla outlet in the US, you can get it more on a sale. But if you're going to Italy, of course, they always have sales. So Furla is always having their sales. So just better luck if you're going somewhere, if you're going to the outlet or wherever. So they always have it on sale. So I suggest you ask some of your friends if they're in Italy or they're in the US, of course. Go to the outlet, or if you have people, if you have a personal shopper as well, you can ask them to get it for you for a sale price as well. And there. So it's really nice. Again, this is called the Furla Mini Metropolis, and I love it. By the way, the hardwares are golden color, if you can see the sling as well as the hardware. So there's no pocket at the back, but there are some feet there. So there are some feet at the bottom of the bag, so you can just put it on a nice flat surface as well. And I love it. I love the Furla Mini Metropolis bag. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you were able to learn something about this review of the Furla Mini Metropolis bag. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing, like this video, comment down if you have any questions or suggestions, and see you on our next video. Bye!